seeing buildings get a new life completely re-energizes all the area around it as well.
Adaptive reuse is really quite simply taking an existing building used for one purpose and adapting it, repurposing it, using it for a different purpose, a different use, a different occupancy. It could be converting warehouses to office buildings or life science laboratory buildings. It could also be converting other smaller buildings to residential structure.
A good candidate for a building for adaptive reuse is where can we add a lot of value? And one of those areas is outdoor space, whether it's for office tenants, residential tenants. You want to have some sort of access to exterior space.
We have a sustainability imperative. And obviously, if you can reuse something, there's a benefit to that. But moreover, there's this reality that in the built environment, buildings get old and different purposes for those buildings change, the needs change. And so you have to have the ability to adapt to what is required in the future.
In terms of the community around it, seeing buildings get a new life and not having a vacated building next to them, but something that brings people to that space and is used, completely re-energizes all the area around it as well. Keeping the culture and the fabric of the city and the community, we can do that a lot better by just creating new uses and renovating and repurposing existing buildings in that sense.
One project that's a great example of reinvigorating that community is a project we recently completed. The conversion and adaptive reuse of the Tower Theater into an Apple flagship store here in the historic core of downtown Los Angeles really invigorated that community and brought more foot traffic in with that new use.